I'm Amalie and I'm going to show you how to make some Millies cookies. Stay tuned till the end because I'll be trying some real Millies cookies versus my Millies cookies. Personally, I think mine will win. You're going to need 1 large egg, caster sugar and brown sugar, butter, chocolate chips and self-raising flour. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Get your bowl. You'll need your butter and your caster sugar and brown sugar. And then we need to mix it up until it's nice and fluffy. Let it go creamy and mind your fingers. This is about the right consistency. I'm going to add my egg and vanilla extract. Add your flour. Now let's add our yummy chocolate chips in. The mixture looks yummy. I'm going to turn off my mixer to see if I need any more vanilla. A little bit. And use 1 more teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget to wash your hands. And then mixer on. That's done. Now I'm going to melt them into cookies. I'm going to have to lick this later. It won't clean itself. Get your tray and parchment paper. And this is the messy bit. You're going to have to get your hands into your mixture and make them into small balls. That's a nice ball, and then pop it down, squish with your fingers. When you put the cookie down, make sure you leave enough space because the cookie will expand. Let's cook them. It takes about 7 to 14 minutes, so keep your eye on them. Yay! They're very soft. And when you let them cool, they become a bit harder. I said this would be a Millies cookie challenge, didn't I? So I need to go and get some Millies cookies. Make sure you wear your face mask. Let's go. Here we are, Millies cookies. Thank you. Now I've got my cookies, it's time to go to the kitchen. I got my cookies. Oh, I forgot Sophia. She'll have to walk. These are the Millies cookies. They look a bit different to mine, but Sophia does not know. Now for the taste test. Now let's blindfold you for life. How many fingers am I holding up?
I don't know.
Guess.
5.
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's see if Sophia recognises Millies or mine. Can you smell it?
Yeah.
You did. Crunch. Nice.
Yeah.
What did you like about it? You can't take your blindfold off.
It's nice and soft.
Okay.
That.
Do you want to tell you?
No. I need to try the other one.
Oh yeah. Okay, so do you want some water?
Yeah. Oh. You're trying to drown me.
No. Okay.
Okay.
Want to sniff?
Okay. Oh yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah?
Do you like it better than the other one?
No. The first one was my favourite.
Okay. Do you want to know which one was the first one?
Yeah.
Wait, first you have to have a drink. Come on. Okay. Okay. So, your favourite one was the Millies.
No, my favourite one was the one that's
No, your
the one
favourite,
that was crunchy.
the first one.
No, the second one.
I thought you said the first one.
No, I meant this like the first laugh.
Oh, you like mine better. Okay, Sophia. So now it's my taste test.
Okay.
But
You will know though.
you cannot. No, I can't. I don't. My turn for taste testing.
Okay. Put your...
I suggest using the mask because very easy to know you.
Trying to find it. Right.
I don't want any water.
Right. Right.
Hello. Give me a cookie.
Okay, no, because you'll know if you hold it. Bite. Bite. Okay. Nice. Okay.
Not from that. Does it look like my face is upside down?
No. Right. You got some water?
No.
Sure, just even a
No.
just even a little bit, just to refresh your.
Don't do that.
What did you think of that one?
Yum.
Okay, number 2. Ah.
Disgusting.
Okay.
It tastes nice now.
Which one was your favourite? Number 1 or number 2? That is. That's yours.
That one. No, I don't like it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye.